deck. Sorry about the light, might be a little weird, but it's the only place I could put the camera because of the sun and everything else. So today's project will be replacing screen door. I got a new screen door I brought up, and this one's got to come off and be put on the bunkhouse. So first things first, take this sucker apart, and then we'll install the new one, and you get to follow along step by step. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Alright, there we go. How to install a screen door in 75 easy steps. I got to get some new screws for this bottom piece, but there we go. Yeah, not too bad. Thanks for coming by, guys. I appreciate you watching, and stay tuned for more, as always.